Guys, welcome back to another video. As you know, it's my grandmother's birthday, but in the course of the birthday I decided to run a prank on her, right? So I bought this. Doesn't have any alcohol or nothing, it's just a grape juice. It's a juice cocktail. So I'm gonna bring it to her. Maybe I'm gonna show her in the camera because I don't really want to put her in the video. I want to go just hear her voice. I'm gonna give it to her and I'm gonna hear her reaction. Right, guys, please comment down below. She feisty, you know, so just wait for it. I mean feisty as in curse bad words. She don't curse, she's a Christian and she's very into her faith. So I'm going down to her room now. Grandmother? Yes. I am back.
Yes, that's good.
Yes, about to cook and thing. You don't want to get drunk?
He said, here, this. I reached out and took the bottom.
What this?
One back la liquor.
What me do with liquor?
Your liquor, grandmother.
He wanted to impart
I feel you the liquor.
Are yours? Me buy it for you, Mr. Bro.
what I realized
What
when he
kind
said
of
this,
me
what I
drink
guess
liquor?
now,
Grandmother, you have to drink the liquor. It's good for you.
Have to.
Yes, grandmother.
I thank you, but I don't have to.
You have to drink it.
No.
You're not drinking?
he's holding
No.
the top.
Why?
I looked across the top
Because
of that check
it's
and he
because
said
I
to
don't
me,
want to drink
God's about to teach you.
You don't want drunk?
I
Preach the
don't
body
drink
of
liquor.
Christ.
It's strong drink, so
Let the
I
check go.
don't drink it. And no forward would
That was
get
over
me.
35
You could
years
drink it if it is liquor.
But here's what I felt when he looked at the
So
check.
guys, we get her with my prank. It's actually a grape juice in a liquor looking bottle. And I have a gift up there. So I'm going to cook now. This is a grape juice that you're gonna drink. It's what it, you know, guys, no power as my will. At least as she have manner, she actually said thank you. But no power my will can't make me drink it. Grandmother, I'm gonna cook you a time I go here.
Yeah.